I got that on tape. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode, another vlog. Today we are going to
Utah!
And we have a bet. Here's the bet. Here's the best part of it. The bet is, oh shoots, look, my camera's turning too. Put it back. Oh shit. Alright, so the bet, my dad likes to clean. What'd you say?
I don't think that Manny is gonna bring a Wallace to camp.
Wallace is the broom.
Hazel thinks he's bringing a Wallace. He thinks he's gonna sweep the dirt on the ground with a Wallace with the broom, and I don't think Manny's gonna bring a broom. So that's the bet, y'all.
So we just took the exit to Zion National Park. So it's gonna be an hour and a half to get there. We switched drivers. I'm gonna go pass out because I have allergies. So hopefully when I wake up, that'll be fine. So we just got here, Zion Ponderosa Ranch Resort. So when you check in, the check-in spot is right here, this area, and there's a parking lot right here in front of the miniature golf. And then you have rock climbing over there on that side. And the weather right now is like about 50 degrees. You got all these cabins right here. We're gonna pitch a tent. Shower, men's room, storage, laundry, and then women's bathroom, shower, bed. Alright, so we just got to our campsite. This rope is the divider, and this whole area is ours right here. And it's snowing, look. Okay, so we're gonna set up the tent right here. The tent that we have is an 8-person tent, which is 2 minutes setup. So I'm just gonna put it on time lapse and go from there.
The mattress.
Oh, in the middle
Volcano
of the...
mattress.
Cool. Alright, check it out. It's 7:35. We just finished grilling. And we have the wood right there. The table set up. Why is this so weird? Like the color. Huh?
Which lens you got on there?
What?
Anong lens?
Oh. 55. No, it's yeah, 55.
Is that it? Is that why the color's weird?
Maybe. Na siya. Ta-da! So this tent came with the light, so it's really awesome.
Nice.
Yeah, it goes on your cabin too. You just peek over. There's another spot right there. Like you got 2 cots right there, diba? With the light on. Ooh. Oh yeah. Man, I look tired. I should go to sleep. I'll catch you guys in the morning. See ya. So this is coming from there. That is a horseshoe.
It could be deer as well.
This could be a deer as well. And that's right there. And it's like walking right here, this close to us yesterday or last night. I know I heard something, but let's see where they came from. See the footprints. There.
Deer.
Yeah, they all came here.
Deer.
They're not just one. They're a group.
Yeah, there was yesterday that group of deer was.
Because we're like really out in the wild. There's no structures here. It's just plain forest right here. Oh, the sun's out. Good morning. This is our next day. We literally just woke up. We haven't done anything. Just coffee. And we're gonna talk about the campground. Give you guys some tips for it. It's actually one of the best campgrounds I've ever been. There's not next to the water. It is kind of cold. Well, it's not just kind of cold. It's freezing. It's 39 degrees last night, and it's 60 during the day. If you're staying here for a couple nights and it's at 39-degree nights, you have to have a load of firewood. They sell firewood here, but they don't sell the small propane refills. So if you're coming from wherever, Las Vegas, Arizona, around the area, you want to bring a lot of those refills, because especially when you're using it for cooking, for heaters and all that stuff. Ta-da! What's up? Alright, here's a GoPro view of our campsite. You get it right there. And yeah, there's a 360 of that's another campsite. Those are campsites. All that you can see right now are all campsites. It's hard to tell because they're not really marked, but only marked by a rope. It's snowing right now. Whoa. We're here. It was just sunny. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. We're making torta.
Very good, huh?
We're gonna air flip it. If I mess it up, then we should lose it.
Yay!
The fire went out. The heater's outside, and it's snowing. What are you gonna do now? It's snowing. It's gonna be 28 degrees tonight.
Oh no. You're not gonna keep me warm?
Hell no.
We're going back to Las Vegas.
Oh, they says we're going home.
Unfortunately, it's snowing and the sun's coming out, but it's still snowing and it's gonna be 28 degrees tonight. It was freezing in there last night with the heater on. And so
80 degrees, how come it's 28 degrees?
I thought it was gonna be 80 degrees, but it's 28 degrees. Now we checked, it was 60 high, 28 low, 38 low, but tonight is gonna be 28. And yeah, if it's snowing right now, imagine what's gonna happen tonight. So I guess we're just gonna have to like call it done, get out of here. And so we decided to go hit the glamping part of it, and which is, there's a bed here, there's a futon here, and there's a major bed right here. So we're gonna be warm tonight. We had this on right now. And we're gonna continue right after we move.
In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own.